Hello everyone. Today we're going to make Olaf treats. What do we need? Some sticks, marshmallows and breadsticks. We also need some Olaf heads. If you search on Google for printable Olaf, you will find many sorts of different heads. First we cut out 2 Olaf heads. Here we have them. 2 heads. Then we cut 1 marshmallow in half. These are going to be the feet. We cut a little bit in the front. This way it looks like little feet. Then we put the feet on the stick all the way down to the middle. Then we put on a whole marshmallow and another whole marshmallow. We see if we have enough room for the head. We have. And we stick on the head here. The head sticks on because of the marshmallows. Because they're a little bit sticky. So. Now we are going to make the arms. This is a little bit difficult because they break very easily, but after a couple of times you will get the hang of it. You will put them here, and now we have the hands. Clean it a little bit. I have some decorative sugar in the color black, and I will make 2 buttons, and now we have an Olaf.